Hello friends, it's Delaney. Welcome to my vlog. I have a lot to do today, so I decided, I'm closing this at the same time. I decided that I wanted to do a little bit of a get ready. Like, this is like the lazy get ready with me because I don't feel like doing anything too crazy today just because it's so hot. I'm gonna put a little bit of sunscreen on. This is like my 5-minute lazy get ready with. So I used my glow screen sunscreen. This is great. Always put sunscreen on your face, girls. I don't even put eyebrow stuff on. That's how crazy I am. Crazy. Eyebrow stuff. You're gonna get your, I use this like soap brow and I'll wet it just a little bit with this because sometimes I don't feel like going to get water. So soap and all. And that'll be that. I get some concealer. This is the Rare Beauty shade 160C. I'll put it under my eyes. Grab a beauty blender again, being super lazy, wetting it. It'll look presentable. Getting all. The good thing about me having redness is that I contour my nose with it. So, not too bad. Most of the time I won't wear bronzer. Then I get some of this cream blush and it's from Milk Makeup in WERK. And then I'll get a brush and all. I know you're supposed to do it with your hands, but I get like blush all over my hands, so I don't really want to do that. And then we'll just do this. Excuse the baby crying, that's my niece. That's done. I sometimes like to put a little setting spray on. You're gonna get some powder and set under your eye. Set. I'll grab my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Light highlighter. Was it Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter in Spotlight, and then I'll just kind of go like this just to give a little bit of oomph. Put on my high points of my face and just blend it with my finger because this isn't as bad as blush. So I'm gonna wear lip liner no matter what. I have the lip liner in Bow & Arrow K Beauty, I think it's called. It was Kat Von D, but you know. I love this liner. And then line your lips. You're gonna grab your handy dandy eyelash curler, and then you're just gonna curl your lashes. When curling my lashes, I love using this L'Oreal Luminous Million Lashes, and it has to be the waterproof. I don't know why the waterproof one works better with my lashes, but it does. Hold it for 10 seconds, put this on, and it just looks so good. If I have a little extra time, I'll put highlight in the inner corner of my eye, and maybe add some. Sometimes I'll even get my white eyeliner pencil just to make me look more awake. Go in the middle. Do that. Grab my four-oroscope palette from Benefit. Grab a brush. Put it in my inner corner. If I have time for the powder blush and go like this. I'm feeling extra fancy because I love blush. And that's the finished look. So pretty. And I love this mascara. I will literally buy this mascara for the rest of my life.